Imagine a counselor with hundreds of students to guide, lessons to teach, and endless records to complete, all in just 40 hours a week. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development's Teaching and Learning International Survey data show heavy administrative load contributes to teacher stress and time away from instruction. NuSkoolAI helps educators work smarter, not harder, so they can give their best to students. Guidance counselors are the backbone of student support. They conduct one-on-one counseling, facilitate group sessions, and guide students in academic and career planning. Ratios often exceed one counselor for 500 plus students, far above international recommendations, leaving counselors stretched thin. Beyond academic guidance, counselors handle crises, mediate conflicts, lead school-wide prevention programs, and manage compliance reporting. UNESCO and World Bank reports note that administrative load and high student ratios reduce time for direct support, causing stress and burnout while limiting their reach. That's why we start with live, interactive workshops. Educators learn to apply AI to the work they already do, planning faster, supporting counseling, and spotting student needs earlier. These workshops are custom designed to be practical, hands-on, and directly relevant to their daily challenges. For long-term impact, our self-paced courses let educators revisit content anytime. They can learn AI skills at their own speed, supported by templates and real-world examples. No technical background needed, just the drive to save time and improve student care. With AI, counselors can save hours every week by automating notes, schedules, and reports. They can flag at-risk students earlier using data dashboards and build stronger school-wide programs on mental health and social-emotional learning. The World Bank highlights strengthening counselor capacity as critical for resilient education systems in the Caribbean. NuSkoolAI makes AI simple and empowering for educational professionals. We align with UNESCO, OECD, and World Bank priorities and directly support the CARICOM 2030 HRD strategy. Our programs are tailored to Caribbean counselor realities, practical, scalable, and focused on saving 5-10 hours each week, so counselors can reinvest that time in students. Now is the time to act. International guidance from UNESCO, OECD, and the World Bank underscores the need to reduce administrative burden and build AI capacity for all educational professionals. Partner with NuSkoolAI to bring world-class AI training to your schools, flexible and scalable from one school to a national initiative. Together, we can give educational professionals back time to focus on what matters most, their students.